Hey everyone, here's a Princess and Round Halo Engagement Ring 3D model that we have for download. First, here we have a rendering of what the final ring will look like if it's cast in 14 karat white gold and set with all diamonds. This is one of our new models, so it was designed in Blender and comes with a full adjustable file. Sample of the model will be shown at the end of the video. The current model can be set with a 5x5mm center princess cut stone, 10 1.25mm rounds, which are also in the halo plate but might be hard to see from the clip as they are set closer to the center stone. And finally, for the halo plate, there are 18 2mm round stones that are set along the outer border. For the shank, there are 4 round bezel settings located on the profile side of the mounting, which will also take a 2mm round stone. And finally, there are 8 2mm round princess cut stones that will be channel set into the shank itself. But again, all of this is for the current model. Each part is separate and can be adjusted to suit you or your customer's needs. And finally, here we have a quick look at the model in Blender. As you can see, each part of the model is separate, such as these prongs and the halo plate itself. If we hide the stones, you can get a better look of how the settings are laid out. To make things easier, each major part of the ring has been placed into its own collection, which is located on the right-hand side, such as the top plate and the completed shank. We also have a collection for all the cutters for the model, which of course can be adjusted if needed. This includes the round and princess cut stones in the shank, and each one of the round cut stones in the halo plate. And here for the last collection, you'll find half of the shank, which can be fully customized using Blender's modifiers. This is where you can easily resize the ring, add or take away stones, or change the shank entirely. And that pretty much covers it for the ring. If you want to see more images or an in-depth look at all the measurements for each part, feel free to check out the links below. From there, you can also download all the files. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave us a comment. We're always more than happy to help, and thanks for watching.